Welcome to our SQL tutorial. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how can you use pivot tables in SQL. So pivot tables in SQL are a very powerful tool used for data summarization, analysis and reporting purpose. Pivot tables allow you to transform rows into columns and aggregate data to make it easier to understand and analyze. Essentially, a pivot table takes a large detailed dataset and turn it into a compact summarized table based on the criteria you specified. For example, you have a sales data for last 5 or to 6 years and you want to see the performance of each product category for entire years from 2029 to 2024. Then you can utilize this feature. This transformation is achieved through SQL queries that rearrange the data from a standard row and column format into a more readable cross-tabulated format. So as I told you, we have a sales data having say order number, order date, customer information, product category, product informations, salesperson, and price, quantity, discount, kind of stuff. Okay, and now we are going to apply pivot table feature. So if you want to apply this feature, we are going to open a new query window and we are going to copy this table as well. So first of all, we are going to select statement, then we are going to order fetch order date, comma product category, comma price and quantity. Now from the order date we are going to fetch only year. So SQL Server has a inbuilt function that to pull the year from any date. So we are going to call it this column as a sales year. Okay, now we are going to call our window function, that is sum, to calculate our sales. So we are going to call sum and then price into quantity, and then we are going to call this column as a sales amount. Because we are using window function, so we are going to use group by clause. Now here you can see we have the data in this way, so I'm going to use call round function to show our cells till 2 decimal places only. Okay, now here this is our base table, so we are going to select star from. We are going to use this data set as a drive table and we are going to call this src. Then we are going to call our pivot table feature. So here, so first of all we are going to call sum. The name of the sum column is sales amount. Then we are going to call for, and the column we are going to convert rows into column, that is sales year. Then we are going to pass all the sales year values like so that is 2029, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 as PVT. Okay, now we are going to execute this statement. So here, tada, you can see you are able to convert your rows into column for sales year, and you can see the sales for a specific product category, for example books. So you can see the performance of books for entire years like 2019, 2020, 2021. So if you want to convert your product category into columns, and then we can do as well. So we are going to just copy this and paste it into new window, and here we are going to pass our product categories. So first of all I'm going to execute this, then control V, then copy books, then I'm passing books, then clothing, then electronics, then toys, last one home appliances. Okay, so here you can see, if you want to filter your data for any specific year, so you can use where clause as well. So we are going to apply where clause on our pivot tables. So sales year greater than 2019, and here we are going to apply order by clause as well, order by sales year. So here you can see the data for 2019 is not available right now because we have filtered this data from our pivot output. So guys, you can see it is very easy to convert your rows into columns by using pivot table feature, which is very powerful feature in SQL. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.